Hello, my name is Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and I want to show my face. I want to show my face, so I'm just gonna stop real quick and turn the camera on so you guys can see me. Hey, I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and I teach business owners and side hustlers how to find more money in their business. You can visit my website at www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. So, hello. Today we are talking about building a list. So, this is day 4 in my Ways to Sell on Social Media campaign. Today we are going to talk about how you can build a list. Let me turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. So, why is building a list important? Because when Facebook shuts down, when Instagram shuts down, when Twitter goes haywire, when YouTube is acting funky, how else do you get in contact with people? Building an email list, and this can kind of go hand in hand with a text list as well, or more in depth if you had an actual app that you can send pings to your subscribers, your list, your audience, etc. So we're going to focus on some simple ways that you can build a list. Nothing too hard, everything too easy. So, where to start? Let me move my face down some. So, here are 3 platforms that you can use. MailChimp is free up to 500 subscribers. ConverterKit, this platform is made to help you convert your emails into dollars. It starts at $29 for 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Constant Contact is $20 a month. It's not a bad price and is rated really well. So I am going to click out of this real quick so that we can go over here and look at MailChimp. So here is MailChimp. And here is the pricing, so we can also make sure that I said it correctly. But here is the pricing for MailChimp. So see, it is free here. Let's go over here. And then it's $9.99, $14.99, and $2.99. So, it's free up to 2,000 subscribers. So obviously I have gone past that. So 2,000 up to 2,000 subscribers, and then once you get into the, let's see, 50,000. Wait, 2,000. And so I guess it jumps from 2,000 to 50,000. Geez, for $9.99, which is not bad. And then on up. So that's not bad at all. So then we have ConverterKit here. So ConverterKit, I've used this before as well. So I can attest to it's super easy and simple to use as well. So we're going to look at the pricing really quick as that comes up. So here we go. So 0 to 1K, $29. 1K to 3K, 49, 3K to 5, 79, and then here you can calculate. Let's see, say you have 10,000, calculate it. Let's see, it gives you about 119 a month. Say you got 50,000 people on your email list, 379. So as it goes up, the price goes up, and it tells you exactly what you can get in it. And then we have Constant Contact. I have not used this service, but I know a lot of people who do. So here is their pricing guidelines as well. Most of these websites, you can do a free trial. So 14 days to get you to send an email to see if you see a difference. That's, to me, it's worth it. So it starts at $20 a month, and then it's email plus for $45 a month. Let's see if it has the amount of people on the list. I don't see that information. Let's see if I can just see the features. Yeah, it doesn't tell me like the amount of people, but hey, those are the main 3 there. So now we're going to get back to building our list. So now you know where you can start building your list, and 3 of the tools that you can use to build your list. All right, so moving on along. other ways that you can collect emails. So you can collect emails by your Facebook page. All you have to do is add a button on your Facebook page for people to sign up. Once you get up connected with the service, whatever one you decide to use, they give you like a link that you use to send people to the sign up page or landing page or whatever you have, to collect their emails to put them on a segmented list. So you would name the list, get the link, and then use that link to have people sign up. So all of it is like tied in together to dump them onto that list. You can collect emails from your website via pop-up, exit pop-ups, or a subscribe box to put emails in. So it's like, hey girl, give me your email so you can get discounts and up to date on whatever. Also, you can just do the old-fashioned way and ask. If you're in that event, have a laptop, an iPad, or good old pen and paper to collect names and emails to keep up with these people. If you collect anything by hand or just by asking for it on Facebook posts, make sure you have their permission to send them emails and let them know that by giving your email, you are opting in to be receiving, what is it called? Promotional emails, basically. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Oh, went a little bit too far. All right, so landing pages. What are landing pages? What are these things? So landing pages are pages that you have a opt-in for a freebie, a webinar, or a course or masterclass. The page that you land on to sell someone. It's a hook and bait for your audience. They put their email address in and maybe their name, and they get something free from you. For the course or the masterclass, they put their email in and they take a free course. They take a paid masterclass, but all of this is a transaction which you get their email. Here is a webinar. It can be free or paid. Regardless, they give you their email or name for you to show up and present a presentation, a webinar, a class, a pony show, whatever they are interested in. So those are ideas that you can use for your landing page, select emails, and give your audience something in return, whether it's paid or free. So here is where you can find me on social media. After I've taught you a few ways to help you build your list, you can catch me on Facebook at Cinquanta. I am here on YouTube at Smiley Quanta, smile for me. Instagram, I am at Cinquanta Cox-Smith, and go follow me over there. I'll be dropping tea. Okay. Also, if you are interested in finding some way to make some type of money for the fourth quarter, check out my Easy Money Starter Pack courses. I just dropped a new one and you will be excited to see what that is. And the website is here. You can just visit me at my regular website if you want to set a consult, if you want to check out my podcast, or you just want to see who I am and find out some more information about me. If you want to shop and get some merch, shameless plug, you can visit my merch store at coinsandconnections.com. So let's work together. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to build a list. Until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow.